Parkour. We're going to make a really, really easy dish. It's going to be tagliatelle, and it's the kind of thing that you make when you want to look fancy and you don't want to spend any time doing it because, like, you know, we're all busy and stuff. Let's crack on. We've got 2 chicken breasts, 4 bits of bacon cut up and the fat taken off, 6 mushrooms, bought garlic bread, bought cheesy sauce, and some tagliatelle. I cut here, pull out here, and whack it in the oven. Hey folks, I'm going to go with Pickpool French wine. I know we're making Italian pasta, but give it a go. It's pretty good. So put a pot of your water on a boil so we can get ready to start cooking up the old pasta. Step uno. Step duo. I don't know why I'm doing this in Italian accent. There's nothing Italian about this Italian recipe. Let's get some of that already. You bought it pasta sauce on the go. Due. Well, that's quattro. Due. Okay, let's start heating up some nice olive oil, and then we'll start cooking up the chicken. Today, okay. And if you can still hear me, we're going to now put the bacon in. Okay, now we've got the water boiling, and step quattro, I can't, lost count. Let's just put our fresh pasta in there. Okay, and now we're going to put our mushrooms in with the chicken and the bacon. So the pasta only takes a couple of minutes, and it's looking like it's almost ready. I know this isn't how you would normally do this if you're Italian, but we're breaking so many rules right now. Yeah. I'm going to add just a little bit of tarragon on top. I'm going to add some grated Parmesan. Parmesan. Who am I kidding? Parmesan. And then whack on some grated black pepper.
If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?